Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Loom video recorder. So basically after logging in onto your account, it will then prompt you with their home screen right here. And if you want to experience the full features of Loom, you could even get the desktop application. But to make things quick and fast, I'm just referring through the web page right here. So first things first, you want to click on the start recording option, and then you want to click the install Chrome extension, and basically it will then prompt you with the Chrome extension right here. So let's say that I want to record this specific screen. So I'm going to click on the extensions tab, click Loom screen recorder, and basically right after that, it will then open up the actual Loom right here. Now, extensions is not supported on this tab, so you just want to make sure that you are inside a tab that is supported by Loom itself. I'm going to click on allow while visiting the site because it will going to use my camera and my microphone right here. And the last thing that you want to do is you could select if you want to record a full screen of your computer right here, if you want to record your camera, and lastly your microphone. So let's do something like a window recording. And in my case, I'm going to record this specific option right here and such. So let's just click on the start recording option. I'm going to select the tab that I want to record. Once again, it's going to be this specific tab right here. Click share. And now it's basically recording. You could do your normal stuff. You could basically speak onto Loom and such. And right after finishing up, you then want to head back to the page right here. And of course, we then have to click on the end recording option. So we could see the progress of our recording by navigating through the side of the screen. Click finish. And from there, you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.